Okay, so workbench editor show icons controls whether open editor should show with an icon or not. Obviously, this requires an icon theme to be enabled. So if you set this to true, you'll see these icons here, like so. Actually, let me not open that like in another group. And if you set this to false, you won't see those icons. Now, I do enjoy having those icons there because it's faster for me to visually identify the files that that I'm working on, especially because my mental model for working with files defines the type of not only the content of the file but the type of file, and it's much faster to identify a type of file by their icon than by reading its extension, right? So I know that this is a file, like just by looking at this, like a quick swipe of the eyes through this tab tells me that this is a JS file. Otherwise, I would have to read JS. And yes, the icon looks very much the same as the extension, but imagine if you have a TypeScript file. So let's change this to TypeScript, which is the extension is pretty much the same, right? I mean, let's go for index.ts. There's not much of a difference between JS and TS. There's just a letter, right? And it's a short extension, but visually the icons are very distinct. I mean, even the color changes. So I'm leaving this one set to true.